How to hide your profile on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now if you want to hide your profile on Facebook, you have two different options. You can either lock your profile, that doesn't hide it, but no one else, if not your friend, will be able to see your details on your profile. The second option is you can deactivate your account. So to lock Facebook account, you can open up Facebook, head over to menu, and then from here you can head over to settings. From here, you can proceed to lock your account. However, the easiest way is to head over to your profile, then tap on three dots there, and then you can proceed to lock it. However, in my case, my account is on professional mode, as you can see, so I won't be able to lock it, but you should get the option to lock it. The other option is you can deactivate your account, that you can keep using Messenger, but your account will be deactivated and every details will be hidden. It is as good as deleting without deleting. So no one else will be able to view, even your friends. You can log in back anytime and reactivate your account, however. So head into your account center on settings and then head into personal details, head into account ownership and then deactivation or deletion. Make sure you select your correct Facebook account and then make sure the blue circle is on deactivate account option by tapping on it. Tap on deactivate account and proceed to continue and deactivate it. If this video helped you, do like and subscribe as well.